Hello, and I am Redfelfet, and this is a forest walk. And when I think about these trends, it's like the wind that blows your thoughts away. It's like the sea that brings wave after wave relaxation. It is like being heavy as stone, not being able to move, making your body just laying or sitting down. And as you sit there, listening, hearing my voice, you are getting relaxed. And as you listen, you might feel like the trees that are always listening. I wonder if you notice that a trance is like a combination of nature and you, my dear. Your reactions are wonderful like nature. So I want to invite you to close your eyes as I bring you to the woods, where the trees listen, the stones are heavy, the animals graze, and I wonder if you imagine yourself by the edge of the woods, seeing the trees right before you, watching the birds fly. Maybe you even see a deer or a bunny. It is a squirrel running with its food, but this is a journey after all. So why don't you take my hand as we start to walk, as we are walking further in the woods, and I count you up into a trance. Perhaps you are already starting to feel a bit relaxed while we are walking further in the woods. Notice how I whisper in your ear, one, step by step, further into the woods. 2, getting more relaxed. 3, deep in the woods, means we are going deeper into the trance. As the sounds of the streets are fading away. 4, the sounds of your surroundings are fading away. 5, calming birds sounds return. 6, feeling how your thoughts are fading away. 7, feeling more calmer by now. 8, feeling waves of tingling appear. 9, the sounds of the woods are taking care of you. And 10, drop lovely in trance. And as you are in trance right now, I wonder if you can play a little game in the woods. But first, take a moment to look around. It is already the time of the day. It is already the time of the year. And the trees are empty. They don't have their leaves anymore because it is winter. Sadly, there is no snow this time, but that doesn't take the beautiful nature away. And I am sure the animals are now much easier to be seen. Like that deer over there, or that little bunny over there. Maybe that wild pig will leave us alone. Let's walk further to be safe and hide our food. There's not much to see anymore, so let's play that little game that I wanted to play with you earlier. So we are going to play a little with a freeze trigger. But it's not just a trigger, that freezes you instantly. We are going to use nature to slow you down. And you won't notice it at first, but as we go on, you will slowly slow down until you stand still completely. So as you look at those thin plants over there, resting, waiting, listening for a command of mine. Probably you will notice the plants grabbing your feet. But don't worry, I'm with you. Remember, I only have to give them one command to start, and you will find out about the suggestions eventually. So when I say grow, the plants grow. When I say gone, they will go away. Very simple, isn't it? So that's it. Grow. But you continue walking, because we want to resist those plants, right? I'm sure you don't mind resisting slowly down, right? I thought so. So go on, walk. Try to take your steps. Try to go further. They are very gripping. That well around your ankles, isn't it? Holding you from walking faster. And as you try to walk faster, even more twigs try to go around your ankles. Now of course, you have to slow down that much. It doesn't matter if you are standing still. Not anymore, at least, as they are holding you right now. But let them be gone, shall we? Gone. Look, the plants are going away. Now let's just take this path to the right. And don't mind the plants growing right now. Just around your ankles. And as it grabs your ankles tighter, you feel the pull backwards. Are you going to walk further? Are you stronger than the plants? Or do you want to let it grip you? I thought you were a bird. Don't you want to resist the plants? You can feel now how the plants are grabbing your ankles, holding you from walking further. But as you continue the game, you start to smell. Because every snap, every time the plants are going away and coming back, you are being set up for a challenge, isn't that right? Because what is a resistance when you don't have a challenge to resist? So let the plants go away. As we walk further in the woods, you see some other people walking. Some having dogs, some having horses with them, and some are just walking with each other, enjoying the nature. But then you hear me saying that word again. Grow. And the plants are coming back, grabbing your ankles and holding you from walking. I can imagine that by now you stop walking faster and just let it all happen as the plants are going away again. But the interesting part is that they take also a part of your mind away, leaving you more and more back. We're going left, and by now you don't mind where we are going as the plants go back again, leaving you to stand still in the middle of the woods. And as they go away, We walk further. Of course, we are going back at some point, but for now, you can enjoy the standing still and being able to walk again. Just every time is a little tease, so don't worry, it is not gonna stick with you after the trance. So let them go one more time back around your ankles, around your ankles. Let them stop you from walking. Let them hold you, let them be with you. Away. There you go. Let me hold you, hug you, embrace you. Very well done. And remember, this was just a little tease I play. Quite a fun nature game. Here, I found a wooden bench. Let's just sit down and listen a bit more to all the sounds. Listening to the sounds of the birds, to the grazing of the animals, to the wind that goes through the trees. Just sit there. Feel how your lips form a smile. Just enjoy the moment right now. So it is time to take our way back. I lift you up and take you by hand again. As we take our way back, and as we walking back, I count you up. 10. Leave in the woods, letting go of all the plans, all the suggestions. Letting the suggestions leave. No plans anymore always holding your ankles. 7. The words for the suggestions have their normal meaning back. 6. Almost by the edge of the woods. 5. Halfway there. 4. Your thoughts are coming back. 3. More aware. 2. Getting awake. And 1. Waking up. Welcome back. I hope you liked the little walk in the forest.